Hi everybody, I'm John Barioni with Barioni Q's. What I'm going to show you today is how to put the rings on a shaft. All the little joint rings and so forth. What I have here is basically one little maple ring, windowed ring that we made, another little maple ring we made, and the phenolic piece. And all these are going to get put together, and I'll show you how they glue up. They get epoxied on. So here we go. Okay, here's my lathe, and here is the part of the shaft that is sticking out of the lathe here. And here again is the pieces, the little rings that we're going to be epoxying together. We're just going to be using some 5-minute epoxy over here, and we'll go to the next step. I'll mix it up. Okay, what we have here is equal parts of the epoxy, part A and part B, and with this stick right here we're going to stir this up. Okay, got the epoxy all mixed up now. And we're going to put a little bit on the, work it all in here real good. Want to make sure everything sticks really good. I've also took the liberty of sanding all of this, these little phenolic pieces inside there, because sometimes they're just kind of a silky finish to them. And me being a custom painter for cars and stuff, I know how important it is that there's only two kind of adhesions. There's a mechanical adhesion, which is by sanding, and then you have a chemical adhesion, which is you know, some of your adhesion promoters that you use for painting cars. It's kind of like a glue coat, if you will. And anyways, I want to make sure that we have the adhesion. Get the glue in there really good all the way around. And almost done here. And then what I like to do is cut the inside of this as well, just to make sure. We want a really solid hit, and without getting this really glued up in there. You don't want any voids. You want everything to be as tight as a fit as possible. I do everything in the thousandths, and then we stick this little bad boy on. I push real hard to glue it, kick it out. Now what I always do to kind of clean up the mess is I just take one of these old rags and wipe the excess off, and wipe that off in here. And let's see, I'm going to clamp it, and I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, here we go. I got it all clamped into place here. Let me see if I could slide this out and zoom in on here. Now this this piece right here, this is just basically an extra piece I had for a clamp. This is a little piece of paper towel right here so it doesn't stick together, and basically here is the ring work in the piece that's going to be glued up. And as soon as that dries up here, we'll give it about a half hour or so, and we'll come back and turn it down. Okay, we got this all dry. Make sure that it's zeroed in, and we are going to trim it off. First step here is just put that on auto feed and let it do its course. Okay. Getting pretty close to the diameter that I need. So we're going to just mic this real quick like and see where we're at. Okay, we've got a little bit farther to go. We'll just take a thousandth off. And we'll see if we can get a close-up here. And there we go. There it is on the shaft with the 3/8 10 pin all faced off.